Every computer science student has seen the classic algorithm table talking about complexity columns, big O notation, and very little guidance on when any of it actually matters. So let's go to Algorithm Arena. Algorithm Arena, this actually turns the static references into an interactive experience, like a living app where users can explore 21 algorithms, compare them side by side, run live benchmarks on their own hardware, and even ask an AI assistant for recommendations that are backed by clickable citations from the catalog. The entire application was built in VS Code using GitHub Copilot agents from the front end and the benchmarking engine to the Azure infrastructure and even the AI integrations. Let me show you how this looks. Here we have 21 catalogs of algorithms and 10 categories in total. Let us look at the search algorithms. We have linear search. I'm selecting that, selecting binary search. Let's go to the compare tab. Here you can see all the comparison of these two algorithms. One other beautiful thing we have here is live benchmark. This isn't just a chart filled with pre-generated numbers. The app creates the test data in the browser. It runs the selected algorithms just like this. Let me click on run, and it measures their actual performance on the user's machine, just like you can see on my machine right now. The results are then visualized with recharts so that you can see for yourselves whether the catalog's claim really hold in true practice. Here we have, the charts. Talking about the Foundry IQ agent, when a user submits a question, just like we're going to do right now, our question is, what are the best sorts for a 32 player real time leaderboard? Let me click on send. When that happens, what it does is that this goes to the Azure function behind the static web apps. The function then searches the algorithm catalog in Azure AI Search. It retrieves the most relevant entries and sends them as context to the Microsoft Foundry GPT-4.1 mini model. The response includes citations that link directly back to the retrieve catalog entries so that you can see exactly where the answer came from instead of just taking the model's word for it. The project, of course, uses grounded RAG architecture. It keeps all the AI credentials securely, through the server side, and it is built entirely on GitHub Copilot. Of course, you can see the URL and also the Azure repo of my code in GitHub Copilot. Thank you very much. Don't forget, Algorithm Arena to your rescue any day, anytime.